Morning. Today we're going to be looking at relative frequency or experimental frequency. Now in this example we've got Perseus. You might remember Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. So Perseus killed the Medusa back in ancient times. He's wanting to test whether his coin is biased or unfair. So he flips his coin 30 times and here are the results. And we need to complete the relative frequency table down here. So let's go and do that. So heads, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, so I've got 20 heads, 30. So hopefully I've got 10 tails if I've counted that up properly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do. Amazing. So we've got 10 tails, 30. And sometimes we like to express relative frequency as a decimal. So that's just going to become 20 out of 30 is 2/3, which is 0.6 recurring. So I could express this either way, and we could express 1/3 as 0.3 recurring. Okay. So then the question becomes, let's make that B. I don't know why I've made that A. Do you think the coin is biased or unfair? And the answer is going to be maybe. So if we think about what we would expect, so if fair, I would expect one half throws to be heads. However, 30 trials is not enough to be sure. So what I'm saying is if we did like 2 trillion trials, we'd be fairly sure whether we've got a fair coin or an unfair coin, but only 30 throws, we're never going to be quite sure. There's just not enough. So Theseus is he's Perseus's best chum. So Theseus in ancient Greek times, he was the guy that killed the Minotaur. He decides to flip the coin 90 times. So he's doing a much more extended set of trials and experiments. Now we need to calculate an estimate for the number of times that we think the coin will land on tails. So we're going to use our previous experiment, Perseus' experiment, to help us with that. So if we want tails, that's this bit here, so we're expecting 10 out of 30 of the 90 throws to be tails. So when we do a fraction of an amount, we do divide by the bottom, multiply by the top. So 90 divided by 30 is 3, 10 times 3 is 30. So we're expecting 30 tails. And that assumes that Perseus' experiment was representative. We hope it is.